In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Obsidian Mobile for writing a book. We'll set up a simple, focused workspace so you can capture ideas, plan your structure, and keep everything organized on your phone. Start by opening Obsidian Mobile. Once you're in your vault, look to the top left for the box or folder icon. Tap that to open the file browser. This is your home base for organizing notes, and it's where your book project will live. Create a new folder and name it My Book. Keeping your project inside a single folder makes it easy to back up, sync, or move later without breaking links. Open My Book, and inside it, create another folder called Book Dashboard. Think of this as the control room for the project. It's where you'll keep high-level planning materials so you can quickly jump to what you need without hunting around. Now, go into Book Dashboard and create a folder named Outline. This dedicated space keeps your structure separate from research and brainstorming, so your outline stays clean and easy to update as your story evolves. With the folders in place, create a new note based on your needs. Good starting notes include story ideas, characters, settings, or anything you tend to reference often. Keep names short and consistent so they're easy to find. As you write, use clear headings, quick bullet-style lines, or checklists to break up your thoughts. If you prefer, start each note with a brief one-sentence purpose so you always know why it exists. On mobile, the New Note button is usually at the bottom or in the menu. Tap it, give your note a title, and start typing. Don't worry about perfect organization at first. Capture the idea, then file it into the right folder. If an idea belongs in multiple places, you can reference it later by linking between notes. That's it. You've set up a focused Obsidian mobile workspace for your book, a single project folder, a dashboard for planning, an outline for structure, and notes that match your writing process.